live, we live. Let's see if we live. Market just opening up. Alright, hold on. That's my nephew. He trying to get in. Alright, we live. That's my nephew trying to get in. I gotta hold him off, stall him out. Gotta hold him off. This is a new account I'm trading. New Lucid account. First day. See what we can do. See if we come test the lows. I don't want to get chopped out though. Overnight lows. May do it before the next 15-minute bar open. May not do it. But we've been pre-market. We've been bounced between this 25 and 35, and then we just went up to 40. So let's see. Just chopping in here, ranging in here. Big orders trying to step in front of 18. I like this short, but I'm gonna let it settle down. Low is 1050. Let the market settle down. Holiday weekend. We do got this channel here that we may follow on a 15-minute. Top of the channel, bottom of the channel. Hit again, test the top. If we're gonna get to S1, we know we gotta let it go sideways a little bit to get inside this channel if it's following this channel. This is the 50 moving average. We have a shoulders ahead and shoulders, but somebody said that on the 4th of July, the market not usually, but they have seen buyers stepping in and buying the market on the 4th of July. Let's see. 1050. This looks good for a short, and then the ad at the bottom. Let's see, test the low, but I don't like shorting into that 7,500. And here we go. And away we go. There we go. That's the overnight lows taken out. That's the overnight lows taken out. Here we have more downside on the weekly chart. We got 97, 95 on the weekly chart. candle at 10 has been holding also. Bottom of this channel is here, 7,500. Low is 1050. Shoulders, head, shoulders. Do it, do it. I didn't do any measurements from top of the head. It's about 67, 68 minus the low is 17. Say 20. Just do 20. Round it off. Let's see the low. It's 10. 10 and 67. So just say, see, that's 50 points. So 60, so 75, 10 minus 60 points. I'll pull out the calculator. We got time. $75, 10 minus 60. $74.50. That would be the target. Let me copy this. My purple is the head and shoulder targets. So this was a head and shoulder target from a previous head and shoulders that completed. That completed. See, 74.50, right? We're gonna move it to 7. Not saying it's gonna happen, but if it does, that's what we're looking at. About 74.50. Now right here. That's if it happens. Not saying it's gonna happen today, or if it's going to, but if we do the shoulder, this head and shoulder, and we stay below the 74.10, then 74.50 is the target. How clean did it get there? How bumpy? How choppy? If it goes, that's another conversation. So the 7, we got shoulders and shoulders. Okay, back over. Was watching this 11, but we're back over 11. Back over 50 moving average. Still respecting this downtrend, this down channel. Not it's a downtrend, but still respecting this channel on the 15-minute chart. I'm gonna get rid of this. We had a pennant from here, it broke. We still have a down channel. And we can get back up into this pennant, just chop around like it's been on overnight. Up, down in this pennant. Low value area low just moved down. We have a green daily, we have a green weekly, a red daily, red 240, red 15. Once it's back in here, it may get choppy for a while. There's a lot of movement in here. It's the volatility 32. It's in here 20 to 32. It's like a 10 points. It's about 10 points in here. Come in and stay above value area 16. Let's see. 20 getting rejected. 20 getting rejected. I like this for a long, but it could be a V bottom, but I would like to see it come down and then fail again. Don't have to get it, but I don't want to get in here and then it come back, stop me out, and then make the move. This could go if it hold over the value area low. My nephew again. Get in, trying to get in. I'm gonna take it out if I can get it. Let's see. It came down a little bit. Let's see if this the push. See if this the push. It came here. I didn't want to take this. It came back a little bit. Micro pull back. See if we can get a push. Just some type of pop. Get above that 20. It's not really look like it's trying to get a. Can we get it? It's having a hard time. It's having a hard time. I'm not gonna move. I'm gonna move my stop though.
Target filled.
Okay. Could probably get to 30, but I'm just scalping today. I'm not trying to. You could probably go, but we got the market is mixed, so I'm just scalping. I'm not trying to get those 10 points today. So that's what I wanted to see, another pullback. It didn't pull back as much as I wanted, but it pulled back enough for me to see this fail. This bar fell, and this one kind of have a bullish, well, not kind of, but it did a engulf and broke above the 1650. You see, it's not really. I want to pop. I don't want it to pull back, right back to where I entered. I'm gonna sit on my hands right now because we can get back up. We can get back up. But it's gonna be, we got some volatility. Definitely have some volatility. Over and under 20. Getting acceptance of this area. Right here, over and under 20. Over under 20. Okay, there we go, it's pushing. Slowly but surely. Not surely, but slowly it's pushing. And it's going back up. And it's going back up. We kept getting rejected up here at 31. Also, well, 31 was getting rejection. Popped up into this 40 area before the market opened. And let's see. I'm looking for longs. If it pull back, we can get got sold off up here 3 times. In this 40 area. Got sold off 1, 2, 3 times. You see what happens. See if it gets above this 40, 40, 43 areas. Then it can get to the 50. But this 30 been selling off. 30 been selling off. Get back up to 42. Let's see what this next 15-minute bar does. I'm not looking for a 1-2 where this closes higher and then the second one breaks out and keeps going. Four-hour bar opens up in 4 minutes. 3 minutes. 6, 3 minutes, 6 minutes, 3 minutes right here. You got 3 minutes, that's 15, but it'll be 10 o'clock. Next 4-hour bar open up. We'll see what that wants to do. See what this one want to do. To me, this is bullish. We got rejection up here, but this nice little bull flag. So if this turns up, and this can get a push back up into these highs. Point of control is up at 56. 24 is the previous day's value area low. We can get up into previous days point of control up in this area of 50. That may be a good breakout of this trend and test back up into this area here, this 50 area. Not going to say it will be a smooth ride if it does. Let's see what the next 4-hour bar opens up at in a couple of minutes. It's not on a 4-hour bar. It's not set up to stay on top. Okay, it's not set up to stay on top. Let me put it on top. Let me see if I can do something. Pull it down. Pull it down so I can, if I want to scroll it a little bit, this will be at the bottom so I can see it. But alright, 40 seconds. Look, subscribe to the newsletter. I'll be sending my trades and analyzing the trades and why I took the trade. Put on my newsletter. That wasn't right. Okay. I got this is always on top too, so let me do it again. Well, I was trying to make some. There we go. Is that the gap and go? Is that the gap and go? The 1-2. Is that the 1-2? Is that the 1-2? Is that the 1-2? I've been getting hit with these right here. I'm getting stopped out with these 1-2s here. But this could, no. Not yet. It's just been a little shaky. My 12 and my 15 I done took off. Alright. Come on. The 12 bar. This is the high 12 bar. 40. We got up to 39.50. Are we going to push here? We're going to get some stop outs first. We're going to pull back. Low 35.50. Just going to pull back in maybe. Okay, we pulling back in. Could do a shoulders, inverted shoulders, head and shoulders first before it wants to go. Could create a little shoulders here. I would like it to do that. I would like it to do that. Don't look like it's trying to. Look like it may want to go, but I'm not too keen on the follow through of any breakouts. I'm gonna take this away because I had it here, but we dipped out a little bit, so we could have a flat top breakout. We can have a flat top breakout and this ascending wedge, but for this to really break out and go, you want it to be in 70 to 80% of this range here. It could go earlier. It could go earlier if it goes, but it could go earlier if it's bullish. I would like to see another cycle down also. Rotation down and back up for the long. This could show some strength if it stays up and keeps going. But, you know, we up here, volume getting lower. Volume coming down. Delta going sideways. Let's measure low, 75.05. I'm gonna just do 0.56. The breakout is 40. It would have to break above 40. So 75.05 and 40. So 75.40 minus 75.05 is what? 35 points. So we're looking at 40 plus 35 is 75. So we're looking at least R1. Somewhere to R1 to R2 if the shoulders, head, and shoulders play out. Got the shoulders here, the head, and the shoulders. If we break 40, we can go 35 points. Not run 35, but up to 75 in this area. So I'll do this. Copy. Paste. Come on, paste it. And move it up 75. Right, in this area. And I'm going to change the color for the longs. If it's long, I'm going to change the color. It's short, inverse it, and Head and shoulders, I'm gonna change it to give me yellow. Give me a yellow. Real quick, just to look like we may be going. Look like we may be trying to run.
Order submitted.
If I can get it, if I can get on the pullback. Look like we trying to go. I don't want to get this
order
pullback.
Canceled.
If that goes, I want to see what's this high. This high is 42.50. I want to see it go above 42.50 and go. I want to take it here.
Order filled.
Okay. See if it keeps going. Target is what? Our first target is. If we go into 75, then I want it. Don't know if it's going. Can't say that it is. Maybe a fake out. You got previous over and under the previous days. This is the current open. So if we can stay above the open, the current open, and get a push. If we can get a push. Can we stay above it? Look like it's struggling here. This box, below this box is a resistance. If we can get above it. Okay. I'm gonna take another one at 48. Keeping my stop where it is. Can we get past 40, 47? That 46, 47 is what we got to the, oh, here we go. Let me see, 50, we might get some resistance. Okay. I want to see this 3 minute go. The high is 3 minutes, what, 45.50, and it's not going. Maybe I should just take my profits and go. I like the move. Do we get back down to 33? That's the problem. This 15-minute bar. Can we get back? Will it come back to 33, or is it going to test 50? This high is 45. Trying to give it some time. I like to move up. Can we get some buyers in here? Can we get some buyers in here? Can we hold over 40? Can we hold over 40? That's the question. Trying to give it some time. Trying to give it some time. Look like we may be gone. Let's go. You know what?
Order filled.
I'm gonna take that off, right? I think we can go. We got 63. If we break 51, I'm gonna get in
Order
here.
submitted.
That way, give me some room to be able to move my stop up. So I think we go, and then we could take that to 63. $50 may be a tough one. Let's see if we break the 50. Nah, I'm not gonna.
Order canceled.
You know what?
Order submitted.
I'm gonna get out right here. Take a.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Okay. We might keep going, and I think we do. I kind of managed that a little differently, because it's 50 right here. I'm looking at this, and we may go, but I figured this 50 may hold for a second, may or may not, but I just wanted to get out. I didn't want to. Usually I try to push it into the pull back on me, and I get stopped out. So let's see if this gets some rejection here first. We got some orders coming in here. Got out of here. Got out of there. So that's why I got out up here. This first resistance area. And it's it's not like it went up to resistance like this either. But it's 4th of July. I expect it to keep going. Target is 75 for inverted head and shoulders. If you like the channel, subscribe to the channel, join the newsletter. I'm going to mark up my charts and send it out to show why I took the trade, why I got in, why I got out. And the strategy that I took, so we can. Point of control is 56. Get back to the point of control 51. There we go. It's definitely strong and it's definitely bullish. Definitely strong and definitely bullish. Another 15-minute bar opens up in 1 second. Here we go. Man, that's opening up at the top. This is going to do a 1-2 over the high. It's going to keep going over the high. I don't want to take the break out of this on this. I would like to see another pullback. another leg up. So this is one leg up. I'm gonna see a pullback and see if I can take another leg up. See a pullback and take another leg up. A continuation trade. See if we can get a pullback and a continuation up to the 63. Do we come back down into this area 36 under 40, or do we try to hold? Are we not we right at 50? Do we hold this level here? So right now, today, I'm only taking longs. If it dump, it's gonna dump. We tested the low of the day. Now we tested the high. Went right back to the high of the day. That's this yellow right here. Inverted head and shoulders. Shoulders, head. Didn't really make a shoulder. Made a little pullback. I don't even want to call that a shoulder, but let's see. If we could keep riding the 9 train. Come back down to 40. That was a nice move off the bottom. And we went over, we over and under right now. Whether we're going to close open for the day or negative for the day, we up 1 point from previous day's close. We holding up, just consolidating, run up, sideways action. But definitely like to see this pull back. Volume leveling off. know it would be a good look if this 15-minute does the same thing this 3-minute bar did right here. This 3-minute, see how this ran up, and then this 15-minute bar was red, then this engulfed. If this don't have to be red, but if this did close red, and then the next 15-minute bar just engulfed it like this here, that would be a nice bullish. That would be a nice bullish candle. Look like we may be trying to ride the 9 train. 45. That's too far for me to put my stop, but I would have liked to see if it came down. Here we go. It's testing new highs. The high 52.25. No follow. Any follow through? Any follow through? A real follow through. It's still bullish, but we got some rejection up here. We got buying here. So this 50 level is where they may try to hold it. We back in this zone I marked out earlier. Well, a while ago, not early, but from a bigger time frame. $53 to $63. Let's see where it moves once this starts getting down. Seems like, you know, when time starts getting a little shorter, what you want to call it, the order flow starts to pick up. The order flow, the algorithms, they start to pick up. Still bullish, but I want to see a pullback. I want to see a pullback. I want to see a pullback with the stochastics coming down with another. May not happen, but I want to see. I would like to see pullback in a curl back up. May not get it. May get it. Let's see. It's above the 9. Riding the 9 train. It's still riding the 9 train. 47. Still riding the 9 train. Holding 50. So we right here, up here, got some resistance. I just did something I didn't have locked in. Didn't have that locked in, but there we go. Looks like it wants to go. It's trying to go. It's not breaking. It's real slow if it does. That's why I don't want to be up here and we get a dump, shakeout. Look for a shakeout bar if we get one. We got some shakeout here. Now we continue on higher. Could put a stop below 50. And we have gotten stopped out. Riding the 9 train, I'll tell you that. It's not doing anything else, it's riding the 9 train, which is bullish. Momentum, go sideways, 9 train pulls up, non-moving average, SMA. So either consolidates and breaks or consolidates and momentum comes in, starts to shove it up. About 2 minutes, we got another 15-minute bar. Let's see what happens. Ran up and now it's stalling. Stalling between 50 and 53. Is they gonna hold 50 or they gonna dip and try to shake some peeps, shake some weak buyers out, some weak positions? Are they gonna shake and try to shake some weak positions out under 50? What's this low? This low is 46. 20 seconds before the next 15-minute bar opens up. Three-point range. 50, 53. Had a lot of trades at 51, 51.75, 52 area. There go that. The way it opened up, it looked like it could roll over. Price could just start retracing a little bit and rolling over. I'm not taking any shorts. You know, this could probably 50 to 40. Maybe retrace this move back up here. Retrace this move back to 40. Look on a daily chart. This is why we look at higher time frames on a daily chart. This is a prior low. This is a daily prior open to close. So we look at it. We came up testing this bar right here. So we got a close here, we got a resistance here, we got rejected here, got a little lower rejection, then we got a close below it, and then this bar got rejected. So we got one rejection, we closed below it, closed above it, closed below it, then we got a rejection, and then we got a close right here, and we didn't touch it, didn't test it up in this area. So could have been a good short right there, but I wasn't not trying to play this short right now. Not trying to play the short, but that's why you look at bigger time frames and look at the bigger resistance. You can see the bigger resistance on the higher time frame. So you got major resistance, you got minor resistance. So looking at the major resistance on a higher time frame. It's 10:30. Market made a move. I got in a couple of times. I don't know where it's gonna go now, and it may continue to go sideways for a while. But if you sign up to the email list, I'll sign up to the email list. I'm gonna send out my chart and my trade and why I implemented the trade, why I executed the trade. That's what I'm looking for. So just to show where my trades were, here and here. I made a couple of trades earlier. One I stopped out, scratched pretty fast. It didn't move, pop back, so I got out. Took another long, was looking for 4 points, didn't get the 4 points, so I got out. Market came back down, I got in, got out, then I got in again and got out of here. So sign up to the newsletter. I'll be sending this out in the email, marking up the trades and the strategy, why I took it, and my targets. Happy trading. I'm out. happy trading. I'm trying to pass the Lucid. This is a new one. Just started today. Trying to pass this Lucid account. It's one account. Gotta make 3,000 to pass it. And then if I want to get 2,000 from this account, I gotta make 4,000 to get a 50% payout. So basically I gotta make 7,000. Let's do it.